Like when he says, somebody will say, let's put Bible aside, let's talk reality, let's talk what is happening. And that's what a lot of us are doing unconsciously. People are not minded to do the word of God, the one that designed marriage, the template on which it should work. And you are seeing worldly wisdom coming in. You see that the wisdom that is replacing how people run their marriage is not necessarily the word of God just because they are Christians, but it is what they give their ears to. A lot of wisdom is coming in that is not godly, is not part of God's design. And if you don't pay attention, you wouldn't even know when it is gradually seeping into your consciousness or subconsciousness. If you don't always refer to the design, if you don't always keep it in view, you won't know when you have derailed and moved away from the main design. In the marriages that we are operating, if we don't constantly refer to the design, we'll find ourselves moving away gradually.